Should we show how you throw a fit? Should we do that? There you go. No, here we go. That's not a very good one. Can you show how mad you get? Do you get so mad? With the little ankle turning all the time. Do you get so mad? Whoa. Buster's waiting to help you. You see Buster? What's that face? Can you wave? Can you clap? Clap. Clap your hands. Clap. Nothing. Deer in the headlights.